Peanut butter is an all-time favorite with adults and kids alike. Delicious to taste, it is the most popular spread of all times. However, with the recent focus on healthy eating and calorie control in almost all new diets, it is a no-no if weight loss is the primary goal. A friend asked me the other day, is peanut butter really healthy? And this got me motivated to research about this often misunderstood food. What are the health benefits and risks of peanut butter? How much should you include in your diet? What form of peanut butter is healthiest? Is it safe to consume on a regular basis, especially for kids? If these are questions of interest to you, do stick till the end of the video. Why peanut butter is good for you is coming up. This video is brought to you by Good Health Corner. At Good Health Corner, we bring researched health information in a simplified manner that is easy to understand. If you like what you see here, we request you to support us by clicking the like, subscribe and the bell icon. This will ensure you get notified every time we release a new video. Disclaimer: the health statements made in this video and the site are not intended to diagnose, treat, cure or prevent any disease. They're solely for information purposes. So always consult your doctor before implementing any treatment protocol. Now coming back to the topic again. So what is peanut butter? Peanut butter in its simplest form is simply a paste made out of roasted peanuts that are ground together till they reach a paste-like consistency, ideally without any other additives. However, there are loads of brands available on supermarket shelves that are definitely tasty but contain added sugar, salt, artificial sweeteners and emulsifiers that make them great to taste and provide a silky smooth texture but not necessarily good for you. Peanut butter is also popular as it is a great source of balanced energy, a quick and fantastic breakfast option for kids and active adults. It is made up of 50% fats, 25% protein and 25% carbs, which includes the fiber. Peanut butter is an excellent source of many trace minerals like manganese, magnesium, phosphorus and copper. It also provides a good amount of vitamin E, B vitamins and folate. It is however high in calorie content as its composition is 50% fat. However, almost all the fat content is healthy monosaturated or polyunsaturated fat with only a very small percentage of saturated fat. Oleic acid is the main fat content in peanut butter, which has proven health benefits in maintaining cardiovascular health. Another important factor to note that the glycemic index of peanut butter is only 14, making it a low GI food as long as it is free of added sugar. Hence, it is slow to digest and does not cause sudden spikes in blood sugar levels. A GI less of 55 is considered good. It also has a low glycemic load. Glycemic load is the amount of carbohydrate in the food multiplied by the GI and is a more accurate measure. A GL of less than 10 is ideal and peanut butter comes at the top with a GL of 1. Now that we have learnt about the nutritional profile, let's look at some of the health benefits of peanut butter. Packed with nutrients, there are many health benefits of peanut butter. As long as portion control is observed, there is no evidence that it can lead to weight gain or cause any other health problems unless you're allergic to peanuts, in which case it is best avoided. Promotes cardiovascular health. May sound counterintuitive given it is more than 50% made up of fat. However, not all types of fat are unhealthy. Most of the fat in peanut butter is actually heart-healthy mono and polyunsaturated fat. Unsaturated fats are those that remain liquid at room temperature, example the type of fat in olive oil. And that is the reason why oil is seen at the top of a jar of natural peanut butter. However, there are many brands in the market that mix emulsifiers in the product to get the thick, creamy texture, which introduce unhealthy fats into the product that you may inadvertently end up consuming. Peanuts contain a high amount of healthy fats that help in lowering bad cholesterol or low-density lipoprotein and increase the levels of good cholesterol or high-density lipoprotein. Hence, they help to control cholesterol levels in the blood, preventing risk of heart disease. Protects against neurodegenerative diseases. Peanut butter is a good source of niacin or vitamin B3, which is known to protect against neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Niacin is an antioxidant and helps in the recovery of damaged brain cells, hence known to help with the prevention of neurological diseases. Prevents diabetes. A very low GI and GL food does not cause sudden spike in blood sugar levels. Hence, it is very effective in preventing type 2 diabetes by helping to fight insulin resistance. It is also a good source of magnesium, which is essential for people suffering from diabetes. Low magnesium levels in the body are associated with long periods of high blood sugar levels. Low magnesium levels could also aggravate prediabetes and type 2 diabetes. Oleic acid and omega-6 fatty acids found in peanut butter are also known to reduce insulin resistance and helps in prevention of type 2 diabetes. Helps in cancer prevention. Peanut butter contains high amounts of antioxidants like vitamin E, manganese, and B vitamins. Antioxidants scavenge free radicals and repair cell damage and reduces the risk of cancer. Peanuts also contain a powerful antioxidant, coumaric acid, whose activity is increased by 22% if peanuts are roasted before they are made into butter. Resveratrol is another antioxidant found in peanuts and is known to help in cancer prevention. Helps in maintaining skin and bone health. Folate and copper found in peanut butter helps in strengthening bones and prevent onset of osteoporosis. The high levels of vitamin E are great for maintaining skin health, particularly elasticity of the skin. The healthy fats found in peanut butter are also great for maintaining smooth and supple skin. Aids muscle recovery. The significant amounts of potassium found in peanut butter is great for muscle recovery post-workout. Potassium also helps to relieve muscle cramps. The magnesium content also helps to prevent muscle cramps and fatigue. It also fuels your cells and provides energy. So overall, a great source of pre- and post-workout nutrition. In addition to all these benefits, it also helps to boost the production of serotonin, a neurotransmitter that helps in the feeling of wellness, improves mood, and has a calming effect. No wonder a spoon of peanut butter makes you feel so good. Risks of eating too much peanut butter. Peanut butter in its basic form is packed with nutrients. But if you're consuming one that has high levels of added sugar and hydrogenated oil, there are some risks to be aware of. Weight gain. Though peanut butter is a healthy food, it does tend to be calorie dense. Eating too much of it could lead to weight gain. The unhealthy fats and added sugar in some ready-made brands could also reduce the nutritional value significantly. Risk of high cholesterol. Many ready-made brands contain large amounts of hydrogenated oils to give the silky texture. Hydrogenated oils are basically saturated fats that are bad for heart health. They cause increase in low-density lipoprotein or bad cholesterol and can lead to heart disease. Hence, it is important to read the food labels before purchase to ensure that you are not buying something that's bad for you. Potential exposure to aflatoxins. Peanuts grow below the soil and are prone to mold infections. Certain molds produce harmful toxins, long-term exposure to which can cause serious health issues. The most common form of mold found in peanuts is aflatoxin, a carcinogen produced by Aspergillus mold. The risk of exposure from ready-made peanut butter should be very minimal for products manufactured in the USA due to the strict government controls that require testing for aflatoxins in peanuts. Genetically modified peanuts. Peanuts are commonly genetically modified crop to make it mold resistant and sometimes to increase the amount of oleic acid content. Long-term research data is not available on the effects of GMO crops on health, but if it's a matter of concern, then it is best to offer organically made peanut butter. So the question is peanut butter good for weight loss? And the answer is yes and no. Yes, due to the low GI and GL load that helps to control blood sugar and also keeps you feeling full for longer, helping you to control the overall intake. And no, as peanut butter by itself is very high in calorie content, so eating large quantities would actually lead to weight gain. So the answer is probably yes, but as long as it is consumed in moderation while sticking to your daily calorie plan. Peanut butter can help with weight loss in two ways. Number one, it helps you to keep full for longer. Anyone trying to lose weight will probably reach for low-calorie, fat-free snack, but these actually leave you craving for more and are easily digested, leaving you hungry again in no time. Peanut butter helps you to keep full for longer, mainly due to its high fat content. Fat is slower to digest and absorb and hence keeps hunger pangs away for longer. It is also keto-friendly for the same reason, so can help to lose weight as long as you don't overindulge. Keeps blood sugar levels in control. Peanut butter is a balanced food, providing fat, protein, as well as carbohydrates. At the same time, the low GI and GL to ensure no sudden spikes in blood sugar levels that are associated with weight gain. However, ensure there is no added sugar that could completely negate this effect. So the question is that which peanut butter is best? The best peanut butter would be organic, non-GMO with no added sugar, salt or hydrogenated fats. The best would be if you make it at home with minimum ingredients and ensure you are using organic peanuts free of any possible mold contamination. So peanut butter definitely deserves a place in the superfood category. However, exercise moderation in consumption to avoid weight gain. Make your own peanut butter at home or opt for a healthy option without artificial ingredients. Hope you've enjoyed this video. If you'd like to see more such videos, we recommend you to subscribe to our channel and give a thumbs up to this. A little bit of encouragement from you will go a long way for us. Thank you, and we hope to see you again. Bye for now.